Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and stylish collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye and many much more. Trendy and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyling. Different ideas of hairstyle in low maintenance. Fine hairstyle and spiky hairstyle. And different collection of messy hairstyles. So beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. You look young. Different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Wedge haircut. And different type of cuts, some ideas layered, some ideas step. And beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors and different ideas of highlights in blonde color. In burgundy color, in funky colors. And many much more latest and beautiful collection ideas of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish, and you look gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video. Share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you knew or any other thing of short hairstyle for girls and women, so please share your ideas with me. I'll become with new trends according to your ideas. So you must share with me. I'll wait. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new correction, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.